In this brief tutorial, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT in Russian. Whether you want the text on the screen to appear in Russian or receive responses from ChatGPT in Russian, this guide will show you exactly how to do it. It's important to note that ChatGPT doesn't offer an official language change option. As you can see, there's no settings menu on the left to adjust language preferences. However, there is a simple workaround. For this tutorial, I'm using Google Chrome on a Windows PC. If you're using a different device, operating system, or browser, the steps may vary slightly. But I recommend Google Chrome, as I'm not sure if other browsers support this feature. Once you're on ChatGPT in Google Chrome, right-click anywhere on the screen, then select Translate. If it's not already set to Russian, click on the three-dot menu, select Choose Another Language. And from the list of languages, scroll down to find Russian. After selecting Russian, click Translate, and the entire page will automatically switch to Russian. To get chat's responses in Russian, all you need to do is type or speak to it in Russian. It will detect the language and respond accordingly. For example, I've copied the phrase, "How are you?" in Russian and pasted it here to test. If you notice a delay or an error, simply refresh the page, and it will start working as expected. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'd be happy to assist.